Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel GT Racers. Today I have finally got one of my packages. I have ordered some spare parts, some styling things and a little bit of everything from different companies in Europe. And today I've got one. I think it's actually the first one. It's a very small package. It's from UK, of course, and it's from a company called Alfa Workshops in UK. Their homepage is alfaworkshop.co.uk. And they have a very good page, actually. They have a lot of things about Alfa Romeos, of course. But the thing I really like is they have a lot of instruction, how to do service, how to do repair things. And yeah, you could find almost anything about Alfa Romeo there. And of course, they have a lot of spare parts. Not modifications, but original spare parts. And that is what I have ordered today. So, in my small package, I have two things I've ordered. The main thing why I ordered from them was because I needed these. You remember, for the boot, the parcel shelf clips. And you can see here is the original from Ricambi, Originali, made in Italy. And later we will go out and clip it in. And this was very low price. This is a a plastic thing for removing different kind of plastic trims. So when you need to remove something, you use this to like open up, and not to take a screwdriver, then you will get scratches and maybe you can break the plastics or stuff like that. So I'm very curious to use. This looks good, but it's only it was very low price. I don't know. You see this too. This is of course probably for hanging it up. Actually, it's made in Germany, and it's a Volkswagen and Audi. You can't see it. You can't see it. But of course, it's from Germany, and it's a Volkswagen made. And I lost something on the floor. Wait a second. With it, I also got this. I don't know. This is probably because normally a garage is buying these things, so they have like a small. It's there's probably some number, and you can glue this to something and probably hang this under. Oh, I need the 3409. Where it is? Yeah, you can go at shelves and get it. I will try this later. Oh, what is this? I need to open it. Wait a second. Good. You always have to have your Swiss army knife. Swiss army knife. I'm Swedish, so I should be able to know the difference between Sweden and Switzerland. I'm not American. Oh, damn it. Oh, yes. This is it's a loyalty card. Look at that. Run by enthusiasts for enthusiasts. Oh, that's their motto at Alfa Workshop. Cool. I have a loyalty card. And of course the bill. Yeah. Jamie Porter. The only thing, I mean, I paid almost nothing for this. I paid £6 for the things. But the delivery cost from UK to me was £7. So it's more expensive to deliver it than paying for it. But this worked very well, and I will order more things because I have a broken. The rear fog light is broken. The whole plastic light. I'll order from them, and also a couple of videos ago I talked about the auto adjustment motor for my headlight. It's constantly working. I need to order that too. But that was all I wanted to talk about this package. Let's go out to the car now. Why I'm pointing like this is because I have the car just outside. Wait a second, I will show you. There, of course, I have my car. Look at that. Whoop whoop. Yeah, let's go out now. Yes, now we're here. Let's start with opening the tailgate, the boot lid. And here we have the partial shelf. And as you can see, I have nothing here or there. Oh, here it's very dirty. Probably my kids again. Yeah. And I have my small clips. Wait, I need to change hands. I have unlocked the back seat a little bit so I can easily reach. I realize now that this is actually, there's a left and there's a right. There's a difference between them. I didn't know that. Let's see if maybe this one should be the one here. You see, you have small recesses. We take an come on now. Or did I take the wrong one? Let's try the other one. Oh my god, I'm putting it backwards. Now, look! Fits perfectly. Now we take it, so I don't try to do like that again. And we just put it in here. And push and pull. Oh, look at that. Fits perfect. Let's do this. Now put the shelf back on. Ooh. And look. Perfect. I'm so happy now. And we just put the small strings back and take out the keys, and it works. Well, very good. Well, that was all for today. Thank you for watching, and well, I hope we can see you in the next video, where I do something completely different, of course. So, goodbye.